left on the plate.
It's kind of cruel, isn't it, in a way, because we're trying not to eat too much chocolate.
Wow.
And then the programme team surround us with chocolate eggs.
With lots of chocolate. Look how gorgeous it all looks as well. But, of course, when we are surrounded with all this delicious chocolate, it's easy to forget the real reason, isn't it, that we celebrate Easter in the first place. Fortunately, we have Rachel Derweek, the Archdeacon of Hackney in London, here to tell us all about it. Does it drive you crackers that all everyone talks about this time of year is chocolate and Easter eggs?
Well, at one level, yes, but it's a really good opportunity for followers of Jesus to talk about what Easter's really about, because eggs are all about new life. You saw those children earlier with the chickens, and we have something here called the real Easter egg, which is... it has a little story inside it that tells us about the real meaning of Easter. So, Good Friday, when Jesus died, Easter Day, 3 days later, Jesus came back to life, which is why we have bunnies and Easter eggs. But it's about new life.
So this is a church-endorsed egg, is it?
It is a church-endorsed egg, but yeah.
But unfortunately, it isn't being sold in a number of supermarkets because it doesn't sell very well. So is that a sign that actually people just want the chocolate, they don't want the message?
Well, there are a number of supermarkets that do sell it. Over 1 million are sold, and of course money goes to charity as well, which is a great reason to buy it. So why not have an egg which tells you about the real meaning of Easter and Jesus' love and life and hope?
What is the origin of the egg? I mean, sometimes it's quite hard as a parent to explain why the chocolate has a connection
or
with...
the Easter Bunny as well,
yes,
indeed.
what happens. And we heard from the children a little bit earlier.
Yes, I mean, eggs are about new life. It's where the chickens come out of. Bunnies, new life, spring. And so eggs are a sign of new life because at Easter we're celebrating Jesus coming back to life. And the best eggs are the ones that are hollow in the middle, because that reminds us that Jesus, on Easter Day, the tomb was empty where Jesus came back to life.
So did it come from churches initially? Would they give out eggs and decorate eggs?
All sorts of traditions around eggs, which were all about celebrating new life.
OK, lovely.
Lovely. Great to talk to you.
Brilliant.
Thanks
Thank you very
much indeed.
you.
I might, just for the sake of everyone, taste that church-endorsed Easter egg, just to see if it's as good enough quality.
And you're going to do me a favour and by eating all of the chocolate.
I'll do all of it just for you, Susanna.
So that I can
That's
stay
how much
away
I
from
love you.
temptation. Lovely to see you.
you.
Thank you very much indeed, Rachel. Here's John with the news headlines.
Yes, the time is 16 minutes to 8. The headlines from Good Morning Britain. The Shadow Work and Pensions Secretary, Rachel Reeves, has told this programme if people are working regular hours, they deserve a secure contract. Meanwhile, her party faces criticism from business leaders who say a Labour government could threaten Britain's recovery.